Musa Mseleku reveals this morning on his official page to why he's always worshipping his third wife, Tobile, compared to his other wives, Macele, Mayeni, as well as Mangwabe. People were very disappointed by Musa Mseleku's post. People are saying, Ugote, if this is the only reason why you love Tobile, I guess Tobile, you need to divorce this man. Anyway, guys, let's get started today. You know, the rest of the house is somebody pays on welcome to True Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you guys. So Musa Mseleku posted these beautiful pictures with a caption that got people talking. I hold you high up because you are saving. The day you stop saving us, you and I will have nothing to live for. And people went on to say, Musa Mseleku, this is why Umayeni was angry. You only talk about what Tobile does, but never the other wives. You are a polygamist, yet you have favorite and get shocked when people want to leave you. When Mangobe wanted to leave Musa Mseleku was very disappointed. So people are saying, if she stops saving you, it is the end of you. Maybe we don't understand, guys, what love it is. I guess the only love Musa Mseleku will give you is when you do something in return. And people were saying, Utobile, she's a breadwinner. Guys, Utobile, she's under the department finance, Mseleku. She's the one that making sure everyone is fine when it comes to finance. Actually, she is the minister of finance, Mseleku. It doesn't mean that she takes her own money and gives the other wives. No, guys, the Mselekos, they have business. At the end of the day, whenever you have a business or you have a trust, there should be someone who's responsible for the finance. So Utobile, she's the one that's responsible for the finance. It doesn't mean that she takes her own money and spend on Mayeni, Macele, as well as the Mangwabe. So people are saying, Musa Mseleku, if you really love Tobile this much, you need to allow her to do IVF. So guys, I still remember on September season 4, season 5, there was a time where Tobile mentioned to Musa Mseleku to say, since I'm getting old and I want to have my own children, maybe you should allow me to do IVF. For those who don't know what is an IVF, it's one of the several techniques available to help people with fertility problems to have a baby. So hopefully this season Musa Mseleku will allow Tobile to do AAVF, guys, so that she can have her own child. It is also alleged, you could say, they already has she has a surrogate, you know, she's expecting very soon she's gonna have her own child. That will be a good thing, guys. I don't know what to say, but Kobile, guys, this season she's very quiet. She's minding her own business. Even when Musa Mseleku was talking about wife number 5, some were saying that she wants to ask about the finance, whether the wife she has money, she's working. No, guys, you know, it doesn't matter whether the wife is working or not. The money that Tobile she's using, it comes from the family trust, from the family business. It doesn't mean go to Tobile she takes her own money and pay Mseleku and do that. Anyway, guys, let's send me in the comment section, what do you think about Musa Mseleku's post? Do you think that Musa Mseleku only cares about Tobile because Tobile she's doing something for the family, she's saving the family? If she stopped doing that, it means there will be no love between the two. I guess it is something else here. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment.